Have you ever struggled to find a dish that's both simple to make and special enough for a memorable meal? Hello friends, this is Heather the Fed Up Foodie, and this lemon ricotta pasta recipe is both luxurious and easy to make. One of the main secrets to achieving a creamy sauce with a bold citrus flavor is to blend lemon zest strips with olive oil and ricotta. As a side note, using a vegetable peeler is one of the easiest ways to remove larger amounts of lemon zest. Just make sure to avoid the bitter white pith when peeling lemons. Once you mix up the ricotta mixture, set it aside and make sure to put your water on to boil for the pasta. At this point, prepare your veggies. The beauty of this pasta recipe is that you can customize it with seasonal veggies or add in your favorite proteins. Within the recipe post, I share all kinds of variations to make this dish your own. Sauté the onion to at least a softened state before adding in a heartier veggie like zucchini. You'll want to cook the zucchini until it just starts to become tender, about 4 to 5 minutes. At this stage, stir in the frozen peas and cook until warmed through, about 2 to 3 minutes. At this stage, remove the veggie mixture from the skillet, set aside, and start cooking your pasta to an al dente doneness. If you're brand new to cooking pasta, I highly recommend taking a few moments to read the section within the recipe post dedicated to al dente pasta cooking tips. In the same veggie skillet, sauté the garlic and red pepper flakes in olive oil just until they become fragrant, about 1 to 2 minutes. Lower the heat to low and add in the ricotta mixture and finely grated Parmesan. Stir well and then gradually whisk in the pasta water a little at a time until the sauce reaches your preferred thickness and is smooth and creamy. As a note, you more than likely will not use the full amount of pasta water mentioned in the recipe. Just set aside the unused water until the end when you may decide to add more. Now stir in the cooked pasta, veggie mixture, and herbs. One of the most important tips in making this recipe is to wait to add the lemon juice until the very end. This will prevent the sauce from curdling and will add a bright, acidic finishing touch. Because of the flavors and creaminess of this recipe, it really is special enough for a holiday meal or a simple summer feast. For more recipes like this and for weekly inspiration, make sure to head on over to thefedupfoodie.com and sign up for my newsletter where I share recipes and tips in helping to make cooking from scratch approachable.